This is what I have so far. Got some screws up in here. I'm gonna put these in there. Follow this diagram. It doesn't seem too difficult. It should be done like in about 15-20 minutes. No problem. Next stage. 2 more steps. Step 3 and then step 4. Choo-choo. Luna. Little dog, little chihuahua. She's 2 years old. Walk through it with you guys. Alright. Laptop, mouse, done. Camera. All right, I got the hammer. There she be, guys. For now, this is going to be the temporary setup, so I'm going to put some stickers here since I do have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm going to represent them because, hey, I love the camera, man. This little thing says right here, it says, sometimes I be forgetting the memory card when I'm doing my uploads. Alright. Got a little outlet right here. Smart. That's scary. Well, the computer comes on. It's good. I like Chuck E. Cheese too, so we're gonna put Chuck E. Cheese. Like a big kid. Age is a number, but your mind stays the same. Bam! I'll also be doing it on my computer too. Stickers. I'll be putting stickers all over my computer. I like stickers. Nobody can get in only unless you have my fingerprint. Cut off my finger if you want to get into this computer. See? Set up. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Boom. Ooh, dusty. Okay. Brand new device right there. Got the ear pods there. Got the Raycons E55s. These, they suck. But then, I ended up getting Apple, I think they're AirPods. But they still hit. I like it. They connect automatically to my computer. So I can hear everything while I'm doing my editing. I don't have to worry about everybody else saying, hey, watch out, I'm watching, I'm doing this. Put pause. Can't be doing that. Yes, I use CapCut. I like using CapCut because it works. I'm currently using the free version right now. I guess you can say I'm a fast learner, so I should pick up pretty fast. Camera right here. This is a Osmo 3 DJI Osmo 3 Pocket 3.
A few minutes later.
This is the setup right here. This is the microphone for the DJI. This is it, man. My YouTube setup.